Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data security with Symantec easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin optimizing data security with Symantec, you first need to ensure that you have the latest version of the software installed on your system. Visit the Symantec website to check for updates and download the latest version if necessary. Once installed, launch the Symantec software on your device. You will be greeted by the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your current security status. Navigate to the Settings or Configuration section, often represented by a gear icon. Within the Settings menu, locate the Data Protection or Security tab. Enable all recommended features to maximize your data protection. Consider activating the Real-Time Protection feature, which actively scans for potential threats. Next, set up regular scan schedules to ensure your data is consistently monitored for vulnerabilities. Review the firewall settings and ensure that it is appropriately configured to block unauthorized access. Enable intrusion detection to identify and respond to potential breaches quickly. Move on to encryption settings. Apply encryption to sensitive data stored on your devices. Consider using the full disk encryption option for comprehensive security across all files. Utilize the advanced threat protection capabilities to guard against complex malware threats. Regularly backup your data using the backup feature in Symantec to prevent data loss. Check for any additional features that may enhance your security, such as web filtering or anti-phishing options. Finally, review the activity logs periodically to stay informed about any security incidents or actions taken. Complete these steps to effectively optimize data security with Symantec. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.